Did you know that apple cider vinegar has been used for over 2,000 years as a natural remedy for everything from digestive issues to skincare? In fact, research suggests that incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine can significantly improve overall health and well-being. From improving digestion to detoxifying the body, this ancient tonic has an impressive range of benefits. Here are 12 powerful ways apple cider vinegar can transform your daily life. Supports digestion and gut health. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, can help break down food more efficiently by stimulating digestive enzymes and increasing stomach acid production. Mixing 1 tablespoon of ACV with a glass of water before meals may reduce bloating, improve digestion, and promote regular bowel movements. Its antibacterial properties also support a balanced gut microbiome, reducing the risk of infections and gut-related issues. Additionally, ACV contains pectin, a type of soluble fiber that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. This contributes to improved digestion and helps with symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Many people also report relief from indigestion and sluggish digestion when incorporating ACV into their diet regularly. 2. Aids in weight management. Struggling to shed a few pounds? ACV may be the secret weapon you need. Studies show that acetic acid, the main component of ACV, can suppress appetite, boost metabolism, and reduce fat storage. Drinking a diluted solution before meals may help prevent overeating and encourage fat burning. It also helps in reducing water retention, making you feel lighter and less bloated. One study found that individuals who consumed 2 tablespoons of ACV daily over 12 weeks lost more weight compared to those who didn't. The acetic acid works by lowering insulin levels, improving metabolism, and reducing fat accumulation in the liver. While ACV isn't a magic bullet for weight loss, combining it with a healthy diet and exercise can enhance results. 3. Regulates blood sugar levels. ACV has been found to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar spikes after meals. Consuming 2 tablespoons before bedtime may help reduce fasting blood sugar levels by up to 4%. Studies indicate that vinegar can slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing drastic spikes and crashes. However, those on medication should consult a doctor before adding ACV to their routine. For individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this could be a game changer. By improving insulin function, ACV allows cells to take in glucose more efficiently. Some studies have shown that taking ACV before meals high in carbohydrates can lower post-meal blood sugar levels significantly. 4. Clears acne and balances skin pH. Thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, ACV can be a game changer for skincare. Using it as a toner, diluted with water, helps balance the skin's pH, fight acne-causing bacteria, and reduce inflammation. Malic and lactic acids in ACV gently exfoliate, leaving the skin softer and more even-toned. It also helps fade acne scars and dark spots over time. If you struggle with oily skin or breakouts, using a diluted ACV solution can help reduce excess sebum production while keeping the skin hydrated. However, because ACV is acidic, it should always be diluted to prevent skin irritation. 5. Eliminates dandruff and itchy scalp. ACV's acidity alters the scalp's pH, making it less hospitable for dandruff-causing fungi. A mixture of equal parts ACV and water, applied after shampooing and left for 15 minutes, can help alleviate itching and flaking. Regular use keeps the scalp balanced and healthy, reducing scalp buildup and promoting shinier hair. The antimicrobial properties of ACV can also prevent scalp infections that cause dandruff. Many users find that replacing their traditional conditioner with an ACV rinse leaves their hair soft, manageable, and free from buildup. 6. Relieves heartburn and acid reflux. Contrary to popular belief, acid reflux is often caused by too little stomach acid rather than too much. ACV can help by increasing acidity levels, aiding digestion, and preventing heartburn symptoms. A teaspoon of ACV in water before meals may offer relief for those with mild acid reflux. It also helps balance stomach bacteria, reducing bloating and discomfort. Some holistic practitioners recommend ACV as a natural alternative to antacids, especially for individuals who experience reflux due to low stomach acid. However, if symptoms persist, it's always best to consult a healthcare provider. 7. Boosts energy and reduces fatigue. Feeling sluggish? ACV contains potassium and enzymes that combat fatigue and keep energy levels steady. It also helps balance blood sugar, preventing crashes that lead to tiredness. Drinking ACV in the morning or before a workout can provide a natural energy boost. Additionally, its amino acids may help reduce lactic acid buildup in muscles, easing post-workout soreness. For a simple energy-boosting drink, try mixing ACV with honey, lemon, and water. This combination provides hydration, electrolytes, and natural energy without the crash that comes from caffeine or sugar-laden drinks. 8. Soothes a sore throat. A simple ACV gargle can help kill bacteria and reduce throat irritation. Mixing 1 teaspoon of ACV with warm water, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and honey creates a soothing remedy for scratchy, inflamed throats. The antibacterial properties help clear infections, while honey provides additional relief. This remedy is particularly effective during cold and flu season. ACV also helps loosen mucus buildup, making it easier to clear congestion and breathe more comfortably. Drinking an ACV tonic with warm water and ginger can further enhance its soothing effects. 9. Whitens teeth and freshens breath. ACV's antimicrobial properties help reduce bacteria in the mouth, leading to fresher breath and whiter teeth. Swishing a diluted solution for 30 seconds before brushing can remove stains and kill odor-causing bacteria. However, since ACV is acidic, it's best to use it sparingly to prevent enamel erosion. For a gentler alternative, drinking ACV through a straw can minimize direct contact with teeth. 10. Naturally deodorizes the body. These antibacterial effects extend to odor control. It neutralizes bad smells by killing odor-causing bacteria on the skin. Applying diluted ACV to underarms or feet can help combat body odor without the need for chemical-laden deodorants. You can also soak smelly shoes in a diluted ACV solution to remove stubborn odors. 11. Helps detoxify the body. Is known to support liver function by helping flush out toxins and promoting lymphatic drainage. Drinking a tablespoon of ACV in water each morning may assist in detoxification, leading to improved digestion, clearer skin, and better overall health. It also contains antioxidants that help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. 12. Acts as a natural household cleaner. Beyond personal health, ACV is an excellent natural cleaning agent. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it effective for disinfecting surfaces, removing odors, and cutting through grime. Mixing ACV with water creates an all-purpose cleaner that's safe for both your home and the environment. It can also be used to clean fruits and vegetables, removing pesticide residue. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine doesn't require drastic changes. Whether you drink it, apply it to your skin, or use it around your home, this versatile liquid offers numerous benefits. Just remember to always dilute ACV before consuming or applying it to the skin to avoid irritation. While ACV is a natural remedy, it's essential to use it in moderation and observe how your body responds. Have you tried any of these apple cider vinegar benefits? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to know these amazing tricks. And as always, thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.